Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video meets you guys well. So today I am super excited to share with you guys the PR package I just received from a luxury Nigeria UK brand. Let me quickly give you a backstory on how I came about this brand. I saw this brand's post on IG looking for a beauty influencer. So guys, I entered for it and I was selected. So I have mine right here with me, guys. But before going into this PR unboxing and swatching, I'm going to quickly, show you guys, what I found out about this brand on their site. So guys, let me quickly go through how this brand came into existence. This brand was launched in 2019. Ruba Beauty is a British beauty brand inspired with the belief that beauty products should be easy to use for all makeup lovers. British-born Banke Olowu founded Ruba Beauty after years of buying products which she often loved but regularly found difficult to use. Rather than muddling through with what was available, she set out to identify innovative products that could cater to both makeup professionals and makeup lovers wanting to look their best. Her ambition to bring class-leading products to market is only matched by her passion for sharing her knowledge and expertise with makeup lovers from all over the UK and across the world. So guys, I'm going to stop there. There's a lot more to that, but for the purpose of not making this video too unnecessarily long, I'm just going to stop there. This brand is a luxury brand. Like, you need to see how their packaging looks. So this is the packaging. This is what was sent to me, like a thank you card in it, and the name is written at the back. There's a write-up here. So I'm just going to quickly go through what is written on this card. It says, "Thank you so much. By supporting our business, you are supporting a dream. Thank you for being a part of this journey. It means the world to us. Tag us in your Instagram post at Ruba Beauty UK, at Ruba Beauty Academy, hashtag Ruba Beauty Babes." Guys. So in case you guys, after seeing this video and you are really interested, which I implore you guys to check out their website, www.rubabeauty.com.ng. So guys, please check out their website, and I'm going to be leaving like a short video of their website, what they have there, so you guys can see how beautiful and how amazing this site look. So guys, I'm not even exaggerating. I really like when brand puts in so much effort and is so thoughtful. So I am going to be starting, guys, with their eyeshadow palette packaging. Can you see how gorgeous the packaging look? Really feminine, so girly. See, it is Divine Stars. Palette has its own name, so whenever you are making use of it, you just refer to the name assigned to the different eyeshadow in this palette. So we have Divinity here we have Purity, we have Queen, Kindness, Light, Beloved, Charming, Pleasant, Wisdom, Generosity, Prosperity, and we have Love. The next product is Divine Star as well, and this is their highlighter. So I'm going to open this up. Like, their packaging is so beautiful. Can you see how that looks? So, oops. So the highlighter is called Orion. I'm going to be swatching that for you guys. Next product I have here is a beauty sponge. See? So the next product I have is a brush, an eyeshadow brush. The last but not the least is a pen liner. It's a pen liner, like, see. So guys, that's that about what I got in this PR box. I'm going to be going ahead to do some swatches. This eyeshadow contains 12 shades, 6 matte eyeshadows and 6 shimmery eyeshadows. 5 of these eyeshadows is completely matte, and one of it, which is the 6th one, contains a little bit of glitter speck in it, and it's a matte eyeshadow. Some of these shimmers have like a very subtle sheen to them, and this one have like a very high beam. There's this one that has like a very high beam to it. I'm going to be swatching them so you see. So I'm going to be starting from Divinity, which is this one. Guys, see, guys, look at it.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard.
I'm going to go in and try out the pen liner. Just put that right here. See? Can you see that? Can you see how it's writing precisely? So guys, this is how the beauty blender looks after, wetting it. So this is how the beauty blender looks after wetting it. Can you see how huge this is? Can you also see how conveniently I'm using it under my eyes? And can you see how this is going to like help to to blend the side of your nose, to contour the side of your nose, or to use it to carefully apply a concealer on the bridge of your nose? See, can you see it? Guys, these products are super amazing, guys. So guys, I'm really excited about this product. So just watch out for amazing looks that I'm going to be creating with this product. Let me know what you guys like mostly about this product I just showed you guys. Let me know down in the comment section, and please check out their website on www.probabeauty.com.ng. You're going to find amazing product there. They deliver to you anywhere you are. If you're outside the country, you can also get this product. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.